breaking news coming in. These terrorists or suspected terrorists had access to multiple vehicles, and that second vehicle. So remember, one was that I-20 in which Dr. Muhammad Umar was traveling. Second was that Ford EcoSport, that red-colored Ford EcoSport that police issued an advisory about. That's the car you see on your television screen. There was an advisory, there was an apprehension that there could be more explosives in this car. That car was found at a location in Faridabad, hidden in some village. That vehicle, the National Security Guard bomb disposal team reached there, and now that vehicle is now being taken away for a detailed examination, and there will be detailed forensic examination to know whether there were explosives that were transported in that vehicle. I want to bring in Shreya Chatterjee for more on this. Shreya, what more can you tell us? Apparently, so far, we have information of 4 such vehicles. One was that I-20, one is this Ford, one was a Swift, and there's another car. Is there more clarity on whether all vehicles have been recovered, or there could be explosive-laden vehicles out there somewhere with these doctors of doom waiting to strike?
Well, Gaurav, all 4 cars the investigators suggest were to be turned and designed into death machines. So that's the reason we see the kind of caution that's being used the moment we see one by one these cars being traced down. 4 total cars, one I-20 registered in the name of Mohammadun Nabi, in fact owned by Mohammadun Nabi. The ownership wasn't transferred. That was used to do the blast. The second car, the red EcoSport, that was owned by Mohammadun Nabi. He is the man who used that car allegedly to transport ammonium nitrate. Investigators have confirmed to us. Apart from that, a Brezza that is just right now tracked down, that white Brezza that is registered in the name of Dr. Shaheen Shahid, and another Swift Desire that was initially for the first time traced down. That was also registered in the name of Dr. Shaheen Shahid, and it is from that car one assault rifle was also recovered. This investigators suspect that these cars were to be laden by explosives, and we've seen an example of one of that in that I-20. Investigators suspect that probably it was not a foolproof machine, but even then it took 12 lives. So we can only imagine the plan, the sinister plan that they were in, which the investigators are now calling a second phase of the operation when they were busted.
Okay. Stay with me, Munish and Shreya. Even as we speak, that Ford EcoSport is being towed away by investigators. My colleague Himanshu Mishra is there. He gets you this report.